Okay.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today as our appointment talking about our agreement. We're going to make a startup business, and we have our product, cash register application, and as we assignment before, we have three three we have three
The point to discuss.
yeah we have 3 points to discuss about the product, about the finance and marketing, and and we have one person minus today, Berdika, and I don't have any clarification for him. We can skip him today and for next maybe. Okay, for the product, Mr. Rizky Chandra, what about the
Okay.
progress?
Or I would like to give a presentation about our cash register application, about the progress of developing this application. I got 2 points that I can tell to you all. The first is setting up a vendor, included software and hardware, and the second is about the progress of developing and designing application. Okay, the first point at the setting up vendor, included software and hardware. I have a contracted a very good vendor and a good price, all including software and hardware. So that's clear for us, and there is no problem about that. And the second is about the progress of developing and designing application. For now, we are at the application testing stage. So I hope soon our product can be launched and can be used immediately. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much. Come back to Mr. Maulana Haikal. Thank you.
Okay, so we are in the testing today. The progress
Yes, in the testing stage.
testing stage. Okay,
Yes.
and maybe we can continue to the finance, Mr. Andreas.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for the opportunity. I am Andreas. I will talk about funding planning.
Okay.
Because we are still in pioneering stage, we will use
Yes.
the bootstrap type for funding. Bootstrap itself, it most ideal in logical initial funding if you want to start a startup. If liken, this can be stepping stone before the startup that we are pioneering is ready to scale up. It's just that there are drawbacks to this method because we have to collect money first. It will take a long time. In addition, our financial strength may not be sufficient for the calculated initial capital. So we need more time to start our startup project. But if this project has a significant upgrade, we will soon need some investor to discuss the development and market expansion. Thank you.
Okay. So in the finance, we can say that at least we have a strategy if we are going to publish the product soon, and yeah, maybe we can waiting for the product progress until it finish, and we can maybe Mr. Andreas, for the next meeting we can you can share to us about the funding, because in the product progress now is in the testing stage, and I think from the testing stage until it finish, it's not long time again. Next for marketing.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Lana. So this in here I can provide many updates because this application not yet to be go live. So I'm waiting for this application, but this application I want to market in UMKM,
Okay.
like uh, like
Traditional market.
food container.
Okay.
Yes,
How about traditional market?
like food container. In the middle cafe or small cafe. This is perfect. This is application perfect for that, I think.
Okay.
So I still waiting for go live this application so I can to show up to their client. Just
Okay,
like
okay.
that, Mr. Lana. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Dewanti. Okay, for all the progress has been updated, and yeah, we have a late in funding. Maybe maybe Mr. Andres, you can push the finding of investor, because yeah, as I talked before, the product will finish soon, and and of course the vendor asks for the payment.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to ask something, maybe,
Okay.
Mr. Lana.
Yeah.
When the target this application can go live, so I can to tell to my client.
Okay. As I planned last night, sorry I haven't tell you before, our target is in approximately 2 until 3 months ahead.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. There is no problem in this application, right?
I don't know how, Mr. Rizky Chandra.
Yes,
Up
yeah.
output.
Yeah, there is clear, as long as we can see in this point. I got have a problem about the application, but we just have to wait about in this application, because this application is on the stage of the testing stage. We have to finish it first, and then we can go to the implementation and go to the to launch the application, and can be go live in this application. So I hope this application can be used immediately, as soon as possible, and maybe for the vendor, include software and hardware, we can be more faster to pay them. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rizky. But
Mhm.
I want to ask, uh, how about price? We can talk this for this moment about price. What how to get to our client?
I think for the payment of the vendor, I think it's not very what can I tell you something that is hard to say. Sorry, wait a minute.
Oh,
Okay, take your time.
For the payment, we can reconciliate with the
Andreas, right?
yes with Mr. Andreas. We can because he take the plan to the payment, and I can decide it. I cannot decide it. How can I pay the vendor? So uh, we can communicate it with Mr. Andreas. Okay, that's it.
Mm. And we must have one specialty for this application, right? Because this application is so much uh, uh, in this in apa in this country is so banyak apa ya? Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I got you,
I
man.
know, I know.
We have to special one to our
Yeah,
application.
we have something unique in our application.
Then yes, then the other.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the client can can move to our application maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe next time I can promise that about our application has something unique that you can explain to the customer maybe next time. Thank you for the feedback that you give me.
Okay.
But we can
And
try, baby.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
We can try maybe.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so I got maybe three three point about 3 point that we are going to talk in the next meeting. So before, I want to ask you all about when you guys have free time for next meeting. How about
Next week.
next weekend?
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next weekend we are going to talk 3 point about maybe four. First is about the information about the price from the vendor. Maybe it have a change before, because for the first time we ask for the cashier register application only, like. So next you have to add some unique thing in the application. So maybe they want to ask more money maybe. So yeah. And for the product, in for next meeting, I hope you can share to us about the about the prototype, so we can review about the application. Next, for the finance, Mr. Andreas, maybe for the next meeting, we need information about the investor and funding. I hope we can have a lot of investor, and yeah, maybe just like that, because
Yeah.
marketing just have to waiting for our readiness, for the application readiness. Okay guys, any question from you?
I think it's enough for me.
It's enough for me too.
Okay, Mr. Andres? Is
Yeah,
it enough?
okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Enough.
So we can meet in next weekend. Thank you for your attendance and thank you for the effort and your progress. Keep spirit and see you guys next time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.